This video I'm going to show you how to use accessibility button on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. So at first you need to enable this. Open settings, go to accessibility, press on touch, make sure to turn on this. Okay, then you get this option and showing it to more option to single tap or dual tap to select on. Okay, I'm just set up this, just open. They're showing it to more feature: home, Siri, custom, notification, device, control center. Like when I'm press on, open my control center, to device, rotate screen, left side, upside, right. Okay, and open my home page, to device, to volume up, and if you want to take a screenshot, press on. So we can easily use this feature. At first need to enable this. That's it.